Good morning. Welcome to the channel Ride&Trivia. Today I am going to take a bike ride from Bengaluru to Lepakshi, which is around 130 kilometers. And right now it is 5:30 a.m. So I think it will take around 2 to 3 hours to reach there. I'll show you on the map which route I am going to take. It is mostly NH44, and I have to take a left after 100 kilometers of driving on NH44. This is the route which I am going to take, which is mostly NH44. So back to the ride.
Still in Bengaluru only. I think it's 100 kilometers still to go. It is perfect for riding right now. So trivia time, we are driving on right now NH44. NH44 was also known as NH7 previously, and it is also called North-South Corridor. I think it is the longest national highway of India, and it runs from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. The length is approximately, I think, 3,745 kilometers, and it covers almost 10 to 11 states. I don't actually remember how many states it covers. I think it covers around 11 states of the country. So starting from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari. So we have reached the area where we take left for Bengaluru. We have to continue straight still on NH44. I think it will take around 1 hour.
Lepakshi as a term comes from two words, Le, Pakshi. Le in English means rise, or in Hindi, utho. Pakshi in English means bird. So it's basically rise bird. And there's a story behind this. So the story, when Ravana was taking Ma Sita to Lanka forcibly, at this very place, Jatayu tried to stop Ravana, and in the fight, he got injured and fell on the rock below in Lepakshi. When Lord Rama came in search of Ma Sita, he found Jatayu on the ground injured, and he said to Jatayu, Lepakshi means Utho Pakshi, and thus this place got its name. This is the rock where Lord Rama found Jatayu injured. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I am going to talk about the mysteries of Lord Veerbhadra temple, that is the main temple of Lepakshi. A hanging pillar, blood marks of two eyes on a wall of courtyard, and mystery of a large footprint.